Hey there. Got your brand new Google Onn TV 4K box, but stuck with a locked region? Don't worry. I'm here to guide you on how to fix a locked region on your Google Onn TV 4K box. It's frustrating when you can't access the content you've been waiting to watch just because of geo-restriction. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how to unlock your device and enjoy the diverse content available globally. Step 1. Understand the restrictions. Before diving into the fix, it's important to understand what a locked region means. Content providers often limit their services to specific countries due to licensing agreements. This means some apps or services might be unavailable outside their target region. Knowing this helps you address the issue effectively and legally. Step 2. Connect to a VPN. One of the most effective ways to bypass region locks is to use a virtual private network. Follow these steps to set it up. Choose a reliable VPN service. Select a VPN known for bypassing geo-restrictions. Services like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or CyberGhost are widely recommended. Download and install the VPN. If your VPN provider has an Android TV app, download it directly onto your Google Onn TV 4K box from the Google Play Store. Alternatively, you can sideload it using a USB. Log in and connect. Open the VPN app, log in with your credentials, and connect to a server located in the desired region where your content is available. Step 3. Change DNS settings. If a VPN doesn't fully unblock the content you need, changing DNS settings can enhance your access. Access network settings. Navigate to Settings, Network and Internet on your Google Onn TV. Modify DNS settings. Select your network and opt for Advanced Options. Here, change the DNS to a smart DNS service that supports media streaming such as Google DNS. Step 4. Check for software updates. Ensuring your device is up to date can also fix some locking issues. Go to Settings. On your Google Onn TV, go to Settings, Device Preferences, About, System Updates. Select System Update to ensure your device is running the latest software. Step 5. Avoid illegal methods. While it may be tempting, avoid illegal practices like jailbreaking or using sketchy apps that claim to unlock content. These methods can void warranties and pose security risks. Stick to legitimate techniques that safeguard your device's integrity. Unlocking content on your Google Onn TV 4K box doesn't have to be a headache. By understanding geo-restrictions, using a VPN, adjusting DNS settings, and keeping your device updated, you can effectively access the content you love. Remember, the key is to stay informed and choose legal, safe methods. I hope this guide on how to fix a locked region on your Google Onn TV 4K box helps you enjoy a wider range of entertainment options without hassle. Happy streaming.